After we've bled the brake system and everything works properly, we're going to go ahead and reinstall the reservoir cap, get the fairing back together, and get this guy on his way. First is going to be your reservoir cap. Make sure that the seal gasket gets in there without any lipping and it has a flush surface. Once that's done, go ahead and tighten it down tight, but not too tight. Again, this is a plastic reservoir, so you have to make sure to be careful not to strip this out. Otherwise, you've done all this for nothing. Once that's on, I'm going to go ahead and put the fairing back in. Get that tightened down. And get the other two screws in there. Once those are tight and installed, you'll grab your rider seat, put that back into position, tighten your screws down. Once those are tight, put your passenger seat on. Make sure it is connected. Remove your key, and you're set for riding.